Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a blog website. Just like what you are seeing on the screen. There are so many amazing blog websites out there, ranging from Legit, Instablog, and so many of them, okay? How you can design that and how you can also upload content like this. Okay, how you can also upload content like what you are seeing on the screen. Okay, this is an amazing blog website. You can also see this now. This is a legit blog website too. You can see that all of these are blog website. Okay, so I'll be showing you how to create this kind of website and how you can also upload this on your website, okay, and how you can drop amazing content like what you are seeing on this particular one. Okay, so remember, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, always do well to subscribe because we have amazing content on our YouTube channel. All right, do that, and also do well to smash that notification bell so you can be notified whenever videos like this are posted on our YouTube channel. All right, so having said that, let's go over to our cPanel. Remember, I told you if you're having any challenge regarding purchasing a reliable cPanel for your website, reach out to us via the number showing on the description of this video, and we'll help you fix that. Okay, so now let's begin. I'll go to my cPanel. All right, here is my cPanel. All right, let me go to my cPanel. All right, so this is it. I'll go to my domains. All right, here is the domains. Okay, all right, so just wait a little. All right, so from here, I'll click on create a new domain. All right, create a new domain, then I'll call this one blog. Okay, just wait a little. Good. So I'll come here and call this one blog. All right, so just do that. Then come down and click on submit. Okay, after we are done with that, remember every subdomain you create or a new domain that you just purchase, always remember to change it to PHP version for 7.4. Right? Because that is the PHP version that is acceptable for a WordPress template. Okay, it's very, very important to do that. All right, so just wait a little. All right, it has been created. I will come here and select PHP. All right, PHP manager. So I will set it to 7.4, very, very important. So just come down a little. I see it here. So just select, then come here and choose 7.4, apply. All right, we'll wait for that. Okay, wait for that. So once the PHP version has been changed to 7.4, we'll now go over to WordPress and install. All right, it has been set to 7.4. So come to your WordPress cPanel again, then select, all right, select WordPress. Just go down a little. See WordPress, select WordPress. All right, so just do this. Good. Okay, just come to install now. Then I'll select blog, that is it there. Then I'll come over to this part. So just create my, okay, just create my subdomain. All right, put in my information. All right, put in my information. All right, I've inserted my details. So just go over it to be sure. All right, this is the subdomain we are installing the WordPress on, and my detail is there. So I'll just come down and click on install. All right, do that. Click on install. Okay, just wait a little. So once this is done, we now go ahead and install the template we are using. All right, it's very, very important for us to install the template. Okay, just wait a little. All right, as you can see, the WordPress have been installed in this subdomain we just created. All right, this is it. So let's open it. Open the first one, also open the second one so we can see what we have there. All right, so this is the interface. Okay, while this other one is the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard. All right, so just wait a little. Okay, you can see this is the WordPress dashboard. So like I said before, it is important for us to understand that for every installation we do, there is always a particular plugin we need to install. It's called Classic Editor. All right, I'll come here, click on plugins, click on add new plugins, then go over to where we have Classic Editor. All right, so this is it, Classic Editor, install it. Okay, once we are done, all right, it has been installed, I will activate. Okay. All right, so just wait. Good. Then go over to appearance, then go to themes. Okay, go to appearance, go to themes. Now I want to install the particular script for this video, right? This particular one we are installing has more than 20 templates you can choose from. I'll show you how more than templates you can use for different kind of blogging websites you want to design. Okay, like I said, once you choose anyone to design on your blog, okay, you can use anyone, any of your choice, any one of your choice. You can use this for your design, right? So, and if you also need this template, at the end of this video, I will show you how you can get access to this amazing template. So, I'll click on Add New. You can see it there, Add New Theme. Then I'll click on Upload. Or I'll click on Upload. Click on Choose File. All right, then I will need to install from this is the template. I will just install it. Click on Install. Wait a little. All right, the templates have been installed, so we'll now activate. All right, we'll activate. Okay, good. That's been activated. You can see what it says. Welcome to SmartMac. Then click on Begin installing plugins. All right. Then select all. Then click on Install. Then Apply. It's very, very easy and very, very straightforward. Doesn't have any issues. Okay. So just wait. All right. All the plugins have been installed. They have also been activated. So click on Return to the dashboard. Okay. So just do that and wait a little. Sometimes the delay could be because of network. So just be patient. All right, so come to where you have SmartMac, you can see that there. Then click on Import Demos. All right, from SmartMac, come to Import Demos. Okay. All right, so we have to select particular template to use. Like I told you before, there are so many templates to choose from. You can see this Good News / General. You can see iGadgets for tech. You can see this for this one says The Wire. You can see Tech Blog. All right, you can see this entertainment, financial. If you want to create a blog for that has to do with finances or money, you can see this one that also says Smart Times Observer. Okay, you can see there are so many of them here. There are so many of them. You can see, like I told you, over 30 templates to choose from. Over 30. You can see. If you're still scrolling down, you can see more of them. All right, you can see more. All right, so for us not to waste time, let me just choose a particular one and work with it. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and select. You can see this now. I can select this. So once you come here, click on these settings and select full content. All right, select full content and click on import. All right, then click on install and activate this plugin regenerate thumbnails. So just do that. Okay, so the moment you click on that, it doesn't take time, just wait a little. So it will import the template and you can begin the process from there. So just wait while we do this together. So you can see it's importing now. All right, you can see it's importing. So just wait for the full content to be imported. All right, you can see it says import is successful, just 2 steps away. The first one is to run generate thumbnail. So just click on that. All right, you can see they just click on run regenerate thumbnails. Okay, so once you click on that, it takes you to this part. All right, now for the run regenerate thumbnails, you can see it says regenerate thumbnails for all 85 attachments or regenerate thumbnail for the 49 featured images only. Right, either of the two, it will work. So I'll just go with the first one which says generate thumbnail for all 85 attachments. So I'll just click on that. So the moment I click on this now, you can see it will start generating the thumbnails. Okay, there are 85 of them. So just wait for them to be successfully generated. So just hold on. You can see the first one is done already. You can see that. So just wait. Everything will be up to 85. Okay. Okay, as you can see, all the thumbnail, all right, they have been generated. So what we'll now do is go back to check our website. So let's see. Open the site in a new tab to see what we have done so far. All right, so you can see it's loading. Good. You can see that our website is ready. You can see everything has been installed successfully. You can see all the content. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to create a category. Remember, when it comes to blogging, you can see that this particular one has home, business, education, entertainment, news, politics, and all of that. So all this are what I mean by category. So we need to create categories. Okay, go back to your website, come to post, all right, come to post, then come to categories. Okay, so it's very, very easy and we'll do that as fast as possible. All right, so just come here. Now these are the different categories that came with it. All right, you can decide to edit this. All right, you can decide to edit this or create your own. All right, so I'll just edit some of this here. Okay, just edit some of the icons. All right, select, delete, apply. Okay, once you check now, you see that some of them, like this particular one, this uncategorized, I will change this to news. All right, so I have to rename this from uncategorized to news. Okay, same thing I will do here. All right, then come down and click on update. Okay, all right, do that. So just go down and click on update. You can see it has been updated. Go to categories again. All right, so I'll just add about one or two. Okay, I have this, I have politics, okay, I have sports. What else again? I have business. I have, okay, I think all the categories I need, they are all here. Now, peradventure, what you want to the categories you want to use is not here. Just come over to this part and start putting them one after the other. Like if you check now, there's no, let me just delete this relation. Let me just delete. Click OK. Now, if you check, there's no entertainment. I'll come here and select, type in entertainment. All right, entertainment. Okay, good. I'll copy this, then come here, repeat the same thing, then come down to add new categories. It's very easy. Very easy. So you can see I've added that. So if you want to add more, you can as well add. All right, I can delete this. Interior. What else again? I have entertainment, business, health, lifestyle. Okay, okay. Now let me add one more. Education. Education, very important. So select that, copy. So this is how to add categories and create your own categories. Very easy. Now that we are done with this, the next thing we are going to do quickly is to make sure we go to our menu, right? Come to appearance and come to menus. All right, I want to create a new menu. Okay, this is the default menu. You can see that footer link. This is footer menu. Right, you have the top menu, you have the main menu. Okay, if you don't want to have so much menu in your website, you can delete as many of them and create your own fresh menu. All right, now if you come to the main menu, which is this, I select, you will see that there are so many default menu that came with it. You can see all of this. So I don't want any of them. I'll just go ahead and delete. Okay, I'll just select. Okay, I'll just come down and click on delete menu. Click OK. All right, delete that. Okay, good. Think I've. All right, so this is footer. All right, I can as well delete that, but then let me just go ahead and continue what I'm doing. Come over to this part and click on create a new menu. Create a new menu. I'll call it main menu. Then I'll click on create. Okay, before then, remember this is our website. You can see this is our website. Right, this is our website. So I want to create a new menu for this. Then we'll go ahead and edit the header and every other part of this website. All right, now we'll go down a bit. Okay, it has been created. Come to view all. The home page is always the front page. The home page is always the front page. Okay, so you can see that showing here. So I'll just click on add to home, the menu. I will need to add the home page. I will also need to add the get in touch, which is the contact us page, right? So I'll just add these two. I'll click on add to menu. All right, click on add to menu. You can see that. So I'll just edit instead of home page. I'll just change it to home. All right, click on this drop down, then select, remove this page and just leave it as what, home. Very easy. Okay, next you come to categories. All right, you can see categories here. Click on categories, all the categories you created earlier. So just click on view all so you can see all the categories. Can you see that? I'll just select all and add to menu. All right, add to menu. Once I'm done, I save again. Okay. All right, you can see it has been added. So what we now need to do is to save again and check our website to see how well the menu is arranged. All right, so just wait a little. Okay, good. All right, now let's refresh. Okay, we'll refresh this. So, still loading, still loading. All right, good. You can see it's not showing. Reason is because we have not selected the location. So I'll come here and select main navigation, then I'll save again. All right, select main navigation and save again. Good. So I'll come back here and refresh. All right, so this is how it is, and you can see the whole menu is scattered. All right, the whole of the menu is scattered, so we need to rearrange it so it will fit in very well. To do that, come back here again. All right, come back here. All right, so I want to do something. I'll just come to, all right, so instead of, I can have this, health, okay, news. Okay, let me do something. I'll just come here and click on create categories. I'll just call it news. I can just say news updates or celebrity. All right, entertainment, news, fashion, home, what have you. So you can just do any of those things. I come here, just put hash here. All right, then come here, select update. All right, or news. All right, so just come here. If I can just say reports. All right, report. So just add to menu. Okay, add to menu. Good. It has been added. Reports. So this get in touch, come down will be the last one. All right, get in touch will be the last one. So just bring it down a bit. All right, get in touch. Good. So this report, I'll take it up a bit. All right, take the report up a bit. So for that, now just come here and bring education under report. Right, I'll do it like this. Just rearrange a little. Lifestyle will be under. Then I can have the rest like this. Okay, good. I can have the rest. Technology will also be under. Right, I'll have it like this. No, I'll have it like this. Okay, so you can see that. Right, good. So I'll just come down and click on save. Right, click on save. All right, let me do it again. Save. So once I'm done, come back to the website here. This is it. Then refresh. You will now see the arrangement of the menu. Can you see it now? So this is the report. Can you see all of this? Can you see how well the menu is arranged? So with this now, we are good to go. All right, we are good to go. Education is here, entertainment, health, news, politics, sport, travel. All right, so we'll have it in this manner. So now let's go ahead again to check, to edit the header. All right, we edit the header, we also edit the footer. Then we'll come back to the website and remove all this demo content and start uploading our content. All right, hope we are getting value from this particular video. All right, so now go ahead again, go back to your dashboard. All right, then come to customize. All right, come to customize. Okay, so once you get to this appearance customize, then select. All right, so appearance customize, you get to this part. So you can see color and typography. If you come over to color and typography, you can change the global color. This color is showing green. If I want to change the color, I can select color and change it to, let's say I want this color now. Okay, then I publish. Okay, it will change to this color. All right, you can see all the colors have changed. All right, so that is what we mean by that. So you can also change this other part, this dark background you are seeing here. You can as well change that. Okay, it's very, very easy. Then come to layout, main layout and sidebar. You can as well do that. All right, you can see all the, remember any part you go to, you are not too sure of what to do there, just leave it. Okay, then come back to site logos. You can see this logo that is here. You can change it from this part, site logo. Upload your logo here and here too. All right, upload your logo in those two parts. All right, then come down to, moving away from there, you will see what is called header and navigations. All right, header and navigations, you have the headers preset. If you come here, you will see the different header type. All right, you can see different header type. You can select the one you want. All right, remember this is what we are working with, this modern dark good news. All right, this is the one we are working with, so you can change it to any one of your choice. All right, so that is for that. Then come to layout and main header. All right, you have layout and main header. Okay, good. You have the, once you come to layout and main header, this part here, if you come here, you will see the top row, main row, bottom row, and sticky bar. All right, okay, open it. So the top row will only have the dark and inherit. So I don't think there's anything to do there. Okay, you leave that. Come to main row. On the main row, which is where you have your social media icon. Now this is what I'm talking about here. You can see the social media icon on this part. Now let's say, let's go back to the top row. Let me do something so you see what I'm talking about. Let me do something there. Remember, on the top row, there's nothing, right? If I come to top row and I select something here, I say, okay, date. All right, you can see date, right? Then I can as well go ahead and select time. All right, so you can see date is showing here already. Then if I also add to it and I say time, all right, what's there? Okay, I say, okay, there's no time there. Select. All right, so I select date. You can see date is now showing up here. All right, that is for the top row. So any other thing you want to add to that, you can as well add it. Okay, that's for left. Now let's say I want this date to be shown at the right hand side. I will come here, I will remove it from here and come to the right hand side and select date. All right, select date, then I will remove it from here. Okay, it will no longer be shown here, but it will not be shown at this corner here. All right, to be shown at this corner. So that is for that. Okay, so if you want to change the color scheme, can you see it's not showing? If you want to change the color scheme, light or any color you want, so let's leave it at the dark color. Okay, then publish. All right, scroll down. We are done with the top. Now come to the main row. Right, if you look at the main row, left side is where the social media icon is. That's this Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Vimeo. That is this. Then the center is the center element is the site icon, which is this logo. And I showed you earlier how you can change this logo. Okay, good. Then on the other side, which is what element, right? You can see button one and this login out. So I don't want this login to be showing. I'll just remove it. All right, I'll remove that. Okay, so I only have this button. If I also don't want this button to be showing, I can as well remove it. It's very, very easy. Right, publish. You can see it's no longer showing. Okay, then what else again? You come down to the bottom row. All right, the bottom row. I'll click on it again. You can see on the left hand side, you can see hamburger icon, which is this three dot icon. This is the hamburger icon. All right, if I don't want it, I'll click on it. It will no longer be showing. All right, no longer appear there. Then you have the main menu here. This is the main menu on the left element center. This is main navigation, which is this you are seeing here. Then on this other side, you can see dark switcher and search. This is the dark switcher and this is the search. Okay, so dark switcher means you can switch from night to day. Any of them, that's what I mean by dark switcher. So if you also don't want it, you can just click on this S icon, which means remove. And if you don't want this search bar too, you can as well remove it. So once you are done, you save changes. Remember, whatever thing we are doing here is for the header. Okay, it's for the header. All right, so now that you are done with that part, all right, we are done with that part. Come back again. You have the navigation menu. Right, you have the navigation menu, so you also check it. All right, check the colors and anything you want to edit there. Okay, so come back again to mobile header. Also check the mobile header, how it will appear on mobile phones. Okay, remember what you did before, you can as well repeat it here. All right, also come back to this hamburger icon. All right, you can see it showing on the main row. All right, so this is for mobile. All right, mobile phone. All right, good. So come back to this side, hamburger. Okay, you can see that. Now look at this social media icon. Right, social media icon, Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of them. Okay, you can see social media icon. All right, so if you don't want it, this is the Vimeo, which is this. Okay, if you only want Facebook and YouTube, let's say I want YouTube, I want WhatsApp, right? I want LinkedIn. So these are the icon that will be showing here. All of this thing I'm doing is from the customized session. All right, it's from the customized session. Don't rush it, just take your time and go through it. It's from the customized session. All right, you can see it here. Elements, I'm still on header and navigation menu. All right, you can see all the icons I selected just now: YouTube, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. All right, you can see it here. Now this is the element logo. Okay. Then if you come down a bit, you will see where it says button. This is the button, element button. Remember, we are working with button 1. This is button 1 which says subscribe. All right, you can see button 1, you can see button 2 and button 3. If I click on this now, you will see the subscribe showing here. Now let's say I can say come here, join our community. All right, join our community. You can see that now. Let's say this is the write up. Now, if I have Instagram, Telegram account or Telegram channel, I'll copy the link of the Telegram channel and put it here. Or if I have a WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp channel, I'll copy the link of the WhatsApp and put it here. So that when the time they click on join our community, it will take them straight to the WhatsApp group or Telegram channel, either of the two. Okay, you can see the write up has changed here. So that is how it goes. Okay. All right. I can just say our community, then I'll publish. It's very, very easy to edit, very, very easy. All right, so now that I'm done with that, click on this to go back. So this is social icon the other time. All right, so I'll just select, let me just do, all right, let me just do this. All right, let me just do this. So I have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Okay. All right, so now you can see the icon here. To insert the link of this social media icon, the Facebook link, Twitter link, YouTube link, to insert the link, you can click on social media links. All right, you can see this here, social media link. Click on it. It will take you to where you have to insert the link individually. So I'll copy the link of my Facebook. I'll put it there. All right, I'll copy the link of my Facebook and insert it there. I'll copy the link of my YouTube and I'll also insert it there. All right, so let me refresh this. Hold on. All right, just refresh. All right, so this is it. You can see it here, date and other icons. So just go through the header navigation and you see all of the icons you need to edit there. Okay, now going back, you can see footer settings. All right, if you click on footer settings, then we'll go over to, here is the footer settings. All right, let me open it in a new tab. Okay, let me open the website in a new tab. Okay, good. So I'll scroll down now. Here is the footer settings. Okay, the social icon, the menu, and this right up that is here, this is the footer, and these other things you are seeing here. Okay, so for us to do that, come to customize. All right, come to footer arrangement. Okay, you can see it here, the background is dark, so that's the reason why we're having it like this. You can see the background is dark. Okay, then here I can change this. Instead of having, you can see where it says designed by this Hemisphere, I can come here and insert the name of the blog. All right, just put it there, blog website. All right, so here I will now remove this link. So if I want to do something, I can copy the link of the website. All right, copy the link of the website, then insert it there. Okay, then here that is showing Hemisphere. All right, I will change it to the blog website. Right, the blog website. Okay, good. So I can publish that. Then I'll go back again. You can see the upper footer. Upper footer is this part here, where you have this logo, this other icon, and this thing you are seeing here. All right, to me, most of the time, I don't like having it. I'll just come to upper footer, upper footer, and I'll just turn it off. All right, turn it off, then I'll publish. Okay, so once I do that, this part will no longer be showing, except this part. Okay, if I refresh now, you see that this one will no longer be there. All right, okay, you can see it's no longer there except this part. So that's what it means by that of footer, upper footer rather. So I'll come back here again. This is the lower footer. All right, lower footer, and here is the social media icon and every other thing. Okay, you can see the social media icon there, the Facebook, the Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Okay, which is what you are seeing here. Facebook, all of this. Okay, if you only have 2 or 3, you can just come here and select the ones you have. Remember the other time I did Twitter. Okay, I removed these other ones, YouTube and WhatsApp. Right, if I publish, these are the items that will be showing here too. Right, these are the items that will be showing here on this website. All right, so if I refresh now, it will be showing here. Okay, so next, let me refresh again. All right, next, come back here, come back here. Remember, if you want to change the link, either you click on this social media link or you go back to where you have. If you also don't want this footer to be showing, you can as well turn it off. All right, so I can as well turn it off. So I'll click on this to go back. All right, so that is how to edit the footer. Now, this menu that is showing here, this menu you are seeing here, this menu, the politics, you can remove this from this side. All right, so sorry, you come to where you have, menu. That is the footer menu. If I click on this, you see footer link. All right, select that. All right, select that. So this is the item you are seeing there. So I don't want it. I can just delete. Just okay. All right, so that will be automatically. All right, so if I now come here and now refresh, you no longer see that menu there. Okay, so let's go down a bit. Can you see now it's no longer showing except this. All right, all right, all right. So next is to edit the content. Right, edit the content of what we have here. Right, everything that we have been doing since, we have been doing that from the customize. Right, from the customize, you go back here, see customize, you can as well, if you come down, you can see social media links under the customize. Okay, you will see social media links, you can see that. So I'll click on social media links now. You can see insert any of the links you have: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. You have it there. All right, then you also have what is called site identity. All right, if you come here, it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog. Change it to your website name. In this case, I'm using blog website, so have a good website name for your blog. So I'm just using this for this particular video. Then you come here and say number one Tatafo in Nigeria. All right, so it's a matter of choice. Tatafo, okay, Tatafo in Nigeria. All right, Nigeria. You can see that. So I'll just publish. Then you can add a site title. All right, you can add a small logo to represent your website. Okay, so that is basically what you are doing on this customize. So from this customize, you can edit the header, the footer, and every other thing you want to edit. So now we are going straight to editing the content of the website. All right, come to your dashboard, just come to your dashboard, then come to post and select, all posts. Select all posts. Okay, good. You can see all posts here. So I'll just click on select all, bulk action, move to trash, apply. All right, so I want to trash all this demo content. So I will now show you how to create your own. All right, how to bring in your own templates, how to insert your content on your website. So I will still do this again. Move to trash, apply. All right, so still do it again. All right, good. Then the last one, move to trash, apply. All right, good, good. All right, so once we are done with this, we'll refresh our website to see what we have. All right, if you come here now, if I refresh this website, you will not see any content here again. You can see everywhere is blank except all this demo, which we are going to be removing soon. All right, you can see that there's no content here again. All right, good. Now for us to insert content, right, we'll be getting our content from either Vanguard, Punch, or Instablog, any of them, or Linda KG. Okay, because all of these are reliable blogging websites. All right, so I'll come here now. First, I'll go to Vanguard. All right, go to Vanguard. All right, so this is Vanguard. So open it. Right, so this one says oil refinery has resumed operation. Melekari, NNPC LCU. So okay, now let's open this to see what is there. All right, so just click on that. Let me close this advert. Okay, good. So this is the post. Then another good thing about blogging is that you cannot just copy directly from a particular website and start posting on your own blog website. It doesn't make sense. So what you do is you can paraphrase, right? You can paraphrase like this particular one that says NFP's Warri Refinery has resumed operation. I can copy this now. I'll go to a site called Quibot, all right, called Quibot. Okay, so it can help me paraphrase this particular content. So you can see it here, paraphrase. I'll click on this paraphrase. All right, good. So I'll paste the content here. Paste it here. All right, good. Then I'll click on paraphrase. Sorry, let me do it again. All right, I'll click on paraphrase. All right, good. So just wait a bit. All right. Now look at it. The content is Warri Refinery has resumed operations. Now the paraphrase content still saying the same thing. All right, it says the Warri Refinery is now operating again. The CEO of NFPC Malakari was the one that made that statement. So I cannot use this as my own title. I can copy this, then go to my blog. All right, click on add new post. So I will drop it here. Right, so I will drop it here. So this is my title. Now the same thing I did, I'll still come back here again. All right, this is the picture. I can save this picture. All right, save image. Okay, save it to my system. All right, so you can see that still loading. Good, I can save this to my system. Then I'll come down here. You can see other content here. All right, the same thing I did before. I'll repeat the same process. Okay, repeat the same process. Then come back here, paraphrase again. All right, delete this, then paste. All right, paraphrase. Okay, so this is how you do it continuously to make sure you get a good content for your website, because when you are applying for Google, if you are applying for Google AdSense, so they can easily approve you. Or I'll copy this now. Right, so I'll go back to my blog. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Right, so you just do it like that, repeat the process like that. So I've showed you how you're going to do that. So that's how you're going to get content. You paraphrase all of this. Okay, so for the sake of this video, let me just copy this. So I'll just copy all of this. Right, so you can get that. I'll just copy, then come back to my blog, paste it there. All right, but remember to paraphrase. All right, remember to paraphrase. Okay, let me just be pasting this. Right. Okay, good. So now on the right hand side, you will see the categories. This particular post is on politics and news. So I'll just select the two of them. Then I'll come down here again. I'll need to attach a picture called featured image. Featured image. So I'll click on this. Then I'll upload the file, select the file. I'll go to my desktop. All right, so I've selected the picture, so it's loading. Okay, so just wait. All right, this is the picture, and I will insert it here. Okay, so if I also want to add picture in between my posts, right, in between my posts, I can come down, create a space for it like this. Then I'll click on add media. All right, add media. Then I'll select this. Then I'll click on insert into post. This is different from this particular one I just did. All right, this one will be appearing on the website, while this one will be appearing inside the post. They are two different things. Please take note of that. So once I'm done, I will publish. All right, I'll publish. Okay. So once you are done publishing, I'll refresh the site to see how it looks. Okay, good. So this is my website. All right, this is my website. All right, so now let's refresh this. Okay. All right, good. So you can see the post. All right, you can see the post is showing here. Okay, you can see the post is showing here. The reason why it's not showing here is because we did not select the category. So I'll show you how to fix that. So let me quickly add one more post. So this time around, I will not paraphrase, but remember to paraphrase. So, all right, so I'll just quickly add one more post. All right, so just scroll down, scroll down. Okay, good. This is one. Edo State Governor. All right, so let me just quickly post this. All right, so I will save this picture. Okay, I'll save that picture. All right, save. Then I'll copy this. All right, remember, like I said before, to paraphrase. Okay, so I'll copy this. I'll come back here. Then I'll create a new post. Okay. Okay, good. So I will drop it here. This is the post. Let's say I paraphrase mine. Then I'll come here, copy the content. All right, so this is how you're going to create posts for each of the categories that you have there. All right, each of the categories. Remember, this is how you're going to create your posts. Okay, so I'll copy this now. Copy, then go back to mine. Okay, so I'll come back here, scroll down, paste it here, go down again. All right, good. So now I'll select the category again. So the category I did before was just politics. So let me just do a different one. I can say business, all right, and news. Then I'll come here and select featured image, all right, upload, select, all right, picture we're using is, all right, so this is it here. So this was the, okay, this is the picture. All right, click on open. All right, good. This is the picture here. All right, so just wait. Okay, perfect. All right, so this is the picture. Just come down here and click on, once you are done, remember to check your, okay, remember to check your category and click on publish. All right, so this is how to create your post and publish. All right, so now let's still refresh again and see what we have. All right, let's refresh. Okay, let me close this. Let's refresh this. All right, so you can see the post is coming in. Post is coming in. This was the first one, this is the second one, and you have it here. Can you see the way it's taking a different shape now? Good. So before we go ahead, you can see that this particular part is blank, nothing is showing here. I will show you how you can edit that. So now let's quickly let me show you how to remove all this tag that is here. All right, so to do that, open your website in the new tab and select edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. All right, good. You can see it's loading. All right, so just wait. All right, so you can see it here. So I'll just click on, let me minimize the bit. So I'll click on skip. Okay, good. So this is what we have. Now all this part that is showing, all these ones here, I will just delete. Click on right click on this and select delete. Okay, good. So here now click on this to select post source. Then I'll come here and select news. All right, I think I have news there. All right, so I'll select news to be shown here. Okay, so query, can just say session. Do I have that? All right, good. So you can see the way it's showing now. Okay, you can see the way it's showing. The more of the post I have, the more it will take different shape. Okay, so this is for news. Now let's say I don't want news, I just want a different source. I can use that. All right, now there I want to put something different here. I'll click on this. Where is the source? All right, so come here and select publish date, alphabetical order, then custom, come to make query. All right, so anything showing, you can see make query. Okay, nothing is showing in make query. Then let's say session. All right, you can see something like this now. Okay, but then I also want to do some arrangement. All right, instead of 3 1 big, I can do something like 1 big 2 small ones. All right, I can have it like this. Can you see this arrangement now? So which is different from the normal arrangement. So this other side, I can remove the social media icon. All right, so you can delete this. All right, this one is showing living with COVID. I can come here, rename it. That's heading. Living with COVID can be business. All right, you can see the business. All right, remove this. I'll say business. Okay, good. You can see business. can see business there. Then here you can see it's showing in spotlight. I'll remove this in spotlight and select and name it as what? I can say sports. Alright, I can say sports. Okay. Then going down again, you can also see this advert. I don't want this. You can decide to remove the whole of this. Oh, sorry. You can Control Z. Anything you remove, you can Control Z to bring it back. Alright, this is sports. This one here, I can come here, right click on this and right click on this and delete. So here I can put something different. This one is a travel. This one is already have its own travel. Alright, here is mobile. I can remove this. If you don't want it, I can remove this. Here I can also remove this advert showing here. I can remove that. Okay, you can see it's taking a good shape. So I can also remove this. Alright, so I've already done that. So once I'm done, I can publish. So for us to have the beauty of this blog website, I need to post more content. Alright, I need to post more content. Another thing you can also do here is, if you check, it's showing admin. Alright, admin, post by admin. I don't want to be showing post by admin. Alright, I need to change it to something different. I can have it like this particular one I showed you earlier. If you look at this now, it says post by daily anchor. You can see that post by daily anchor. Can you see that now? So I also need to have like that in my own. So I'll come back here. Alright, I'll go to profile. Alright, you can come here, come to edit profile. Alright, come to edit profile and come down to where you have, alright, good. You can see it's nickname or username. Alright, you can see it here, nickname. You can say blog. You can say blog websites. Okay, so I'll come here, display name quickly, publicly as blog websites. I want this name to be displaying. So I'll come down and click on update profile. Alright, once I'm done updating the profile, if I come back here and I refresh this, I refresh my website, this is what will be showing as my post name. Alright, blog website. Good. So now let's refresh the website. Alright, let's refresh. Perfect. You can see it's blog website, date 30th. You can see that. So this is how to create a blog website. Like I told you, can see that it's just few compared to this one. You can see how this one is now. So I need to post more often. I need to post a lot of content on my blog to have the beauty of it. Okay. So any of them, any section you want, like this part that is business, if I click on it now, I want the content to be shown here as business. I will come to post source and select business. All right, from category to be from category business. So that means any post I make under business, it will be showing on this side. Can you see it's already showing? Any post I make under business will be showing here. Are you getting now? The same thing, and the same thing you do in other places. Any post I make here to be showing like this other one. Now this one is lifestyle. Post source is what? Lifestyle. Alright, select lifestyle. So if I make any post under lifestyle, it will automatically appear here. Same thing with what? Travel and every other part. Alright guys, so this is how to create a full-fledged blog website and everything in it. Okay. Now this was what I was showing you earlier. You can see this now. This is the dark switcher. You can see it. You can switch to dark. You can see the way it's showing. You can switch to dark. You can also switch back to daylight. That's the dark switcher. Can you see that? Okay. Now that I've shown you how to design this particular website, if you need this template to launch your first blogging website, kindly reach out to us via the number showing on the description of this video. The price for this template is 45,000 naira. All right, 45k, you have access to this amazing template. Reach out to us and have your job delivered to your clients without any stress. And if you have any challenge, drop in the comment section and we're glad to assist you. All right, thank you guys and see you in our next video.